I've been working with Contract Wrangler for a year now as Senior Contract Analyst, and I'm here to tell the 5 best things I like about Contract Wrangler. The first thing is we do have a lot of strong and positive leaders who've been guiding us. They're very decisive, they know what they want, and they build strong relationships, they are open to communications, and we do have very strong mentorship. Even the most silliest questions are answered with great importance. The second thing is to focus on a person's strength. If it's me, they help me identify what is my strength. They help me work on my strength, which is very amazing because we improve ourselves as well as our work. The third thing is that we have a very positive and a healthy working environment. Attitude is all that matters here. And we do have a lot of social activities that happen to bind all the employees together. The fourth important thing is that we have amazing technology on which we work. One is the technology is improved every now and then. Two, that helps us improve our productivity at a very great extent. So this is really amazing technology. And the last and the most important thing is the company as a whole is open to communications, is open to feedbacks, be it the quality of work, be it the quantity of work, be it the way we work, our behavior, our attitude. We do get feedback on everything. So this helps us improve as a person, improve in work, and that's really amazing. So these are the 5 things I really like about the company. I believe that happy people are successful people. This company has really made me happy. It is making me successful as well.
Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal from Legal Ops team. I recently joined 3 months back in Chennai office. First of all, a very happy anniversary to all the Wranglers. The 5 best thing about Chennai office Contract Wranglers is, first is our director Chitu. She is a very lovely person. The very first day I met her, I became her fan. Number 2 is our office, our colleagues, our buddies, our QC and everything. Everything in our office is awesome. Number 3, I must say, is the events conducted by Contract Wrangler. First of all, I must mention the Valentine's Day and Holy Bash. Of course, I had a very nice time with David. Number 4 is the must mention our humble and multitasker HR Prince. Of course, her entrance is awesome. Number 5 is must mention, of course, it is evening snacks with Govindamba. She always makes nice coffee and we have a very nice time in pantry. So these are the 5 things which, like, a list is very long of course, but these are the 5 best things about it.
Hi, this is Nandini. I take this time to thank CW to give the fantastic opportunity to work with it. And it's been 3 months with the CW and I'm enjoying a lot with CW. And I'm so much admired with the people orientation and knowledge transfer among the team members here, and the guidance given by the team members are awesome. And they are welcoming the new ideas and innovatives from the employees, and the spot appreciation given by the management for those things are awesome, and it boosts us to give more ideas and with the organization, and giving the individuality space and respect with the employees I didn't see with my previous organization, and I'm enjoying that in CW, and it's big strength to CW. And the engagement activities rather than the normal office routine, it's giving a refreshment for the work, and it's boosts us to work more.
It is truly fascinating to think that a year has gone by at Contract Wrangler. There are very many things for which I like Contract Wrangler the most. Firstly, the leadership under which I function has always been excellent and uncomparable. Secondly, the operating philosophy of this company has always been towards nurturing people to give their best. Thirdly, the working culture has always been friendly and benevolent. Fourthly, the openness and transparency with which we function. We believe in a 360 degrees feedback, and that has been the uniqueness of this organization. And finally, the productive and professional integration that we have between various departments. Every department that we have, may it be the legal ops, the engineering, the machine learning, or the human resource, has been very well professionally integrated to give Contract Wrangler the best output.
Hi guys. So totally working in Contract Wrangler is a great experience for me, and it's actually a bliss to work in Contract Wrangler, I would say. So the main things which I like about Contract Wrangler are the open communication between people, the team spirit, the recognition for hard work, the work-life balance, and encouraging the employees to give new and innovative ideas to improve the productivity and the entire business as a whole. So all these things are really important when we work in an workplace. So I think all these are present in Contract Wrangler.
Hi, this is Sarah, Principal Legal Officer at Contract Wrangler. I've been here for a year now, and it's been a wonderful 1 year. It's a friendly place, thorough professionals, a good balance. We are a bunch of lawyers, but getting along well with the technology people. It's my kind of work, reviewing, analyzing the risk factors, and collaborating with the machine learning team. It's very interesting. So the 5 things that I love about Contract Wrangler. So the whole Wild West theme, that's what got my attention first. And I grew up on a steady dose of Wild West movies and books from Louis L'Amour. So we do a good job of wrangling up your documents. And secondly, there's this energy, a constant buzz. I need it. And you have this empathy. Contract Wrangler is a very friendly place, and we respect the person in you. There's this independence. Your ideas are welcome, are wanted, and you own a project and no one interferes unless you ask for assistance. And I love the startup culture too. So you are a part of the work towards a glorious future. And you have brilliant people at the helm. What more can you want when you have people you trust guiding you, mentoring you every step of the way?
As of today, I am completing 1 year at CW. It was quite an inspiring and delightful journey. I am quite thankful to the management and my colleagues for wanting to come to office every day in the morning. Congratulations all my dearies.
Good day everyone, I am Nijandan, a law graduate. Working on contracts has always been my passion, and I got an opportunity and joined Contract Wrangler as a contract analyst. I have never been so sure and happy with my decision before. The primary and utmost reason is because it is Contract Wrangler. Contract Wrangler changes the organization's outlook in conducting its business. Working in Contract Wrangler is not work, it is a vision that I am glad to be part of. The second reason is the management. I am glad that I landed a job that I love and a great management that I am happy to work with. They truly encourage me and provide me opportunities for growth. They appreciate my contributions and values to the company. There's nothing better than that. The third reason is the work culture. Frankly, after joining, I was surprised at the open work culture. The work environment is filled with positivity and with intermittent fun and laughter. The cafeteria is a place of significance as in it holds much of chitter chatter and memories. And the work calendar is filled with fun Fridays and other such company events that I greatly look forward to. It boosts my morale and keeps me nimble and energetic. The fourth and the final reason is the people. I'm glad and cherish the bonds that I have made in the Contract Wrangler, and the colleagues I'm working with are always kind, supportive, and fun to be around with. I'm truly glad to be part of Contract Wrangler as an organization.
Hi guys, this is Bala here. I would like to start off by congratulating CW for stepping into the second year. To start off with the 5 things that I like in CW, I would start by saying everybody listens to you in CW. So no matter how small or big you are in the organization, be it that you're a trainee or an SME or a manager or HR, whoever you may be, if you have the right idea, I think everyone at CW listens to you. There is so much to learn at CW. So people are from a different work experience, and everybody has a lot of things to share. I think learning at CW is a never-ending process. I think there is always fun at CW. So basically, I am a person who works behind the camera, not front of it. What all CW have made me a director, it made me an editor, it made me a dancer. I did almost every possible thing. I think thanks to CW for pushing my limits. I think definitely I have done all those things. Being a part of this group really feels good, because down the line when you start to have more people coming into the process, and if they start to work on something that you established long back, and that is a feeling that you cannot express. CW helped me push my limits professionally and personally also, and I think there is a lot of potential here. Everybody has a lot of knowledge. Everybody is open to share so many things. If I had to say my experience in one word with CW, then I would say it is just fulfilling. And that's all I have to say. Thank you.
Happy anniversary. I feel very proud to be one of the employee of CW. My career has set and with growth of the company. The extraordinary knowledge transfer across the different stream of the project benefit lot of employees. For me, it's been more than a year working with CW. CW provides us a conducive and employee-friendly work environment, which helps the employee to give more quality work to the clients. In terms of career growth, also it provides the best platform to enhance knowledge and skills. And the most important thing is CW Gate is always open for new ideas and initiative at any time. Opportunities are huge, and if one is really talented, then it is your cup of tea of sure. Work while work, play while play. Smartness at work gives us effective time for relaxation.
Hi! Congratulations! It's our birthday. Ours because it's your inception day, Contract Wrangler, and my birthday for the second phase of my work life. First and foremost, I want to thank you. Thank you for believing in me, believing in the mother who wanted desperately to come back to work, trying to prove something, maybe to the world, that even I can be a working professional, carrying out all my responsibilities as a mother, as a wife, and even carry out my professionalism, my professional life equally. Contract Wrangler has given me that opportunity to prove myself. The last 1 year has really been tough for me as an employee, as a housewife, as a mother. But carrying out all the hurdles, I have proven myself in the journey of the last 1 year. And thankfully, Contract Wrangler was with me throughout my journey. My seniors, my managers, my mentors, I thank them individually from the core of my heart. From the work front, I would like to say that I have learned a lot for the last 1 year and still learn. I still am in the learning phase. From the technology part, I being a non-technical person, I did not know lot many things, which I can happily say and pronounce saying that I have learned a lot many things. Carrying on the learning exposure in the future, I promise to prove myself as an efficient, eminent employee of the company, and I promise to be a part of it. Wish you all the very best to all the employees, all the co-members, the new joinees.
Hi, I'm Janani. I'm working in Contract Wrangler being 1 year. It was a nice and fantastic journey to me. At this moment, I would like to share my experience with the Contract Wrangler. Actually, CW is a very healthy organization which has incorporated with the employee-related values. In CW, each and every employee has an individual workspace. Actually, it is one of the key pillar of the CW. And one more thing I would like to share, whenever the CW taking any decision related to the company, it always co-terminus with the employees' ideas and suggestions. I never experienced these type of decisions in any company. I think this is one of the primary ingredient to success of the CW. And one more thing I would like to share, as I am a lawyer, I am not that much having exposure related to the ML learning process. But in this concern, I have learned ML learning process basically how it works and knows. I think it will be helpful for my future career. And the people are conducting regular quarter meetings to know how the employees are working, what are the needs they have to fulfill the satisfaction. These are all very happier thing for the employees. I think this is the main ingredient to growth of the CW. And finally, I would like to thank entire team of CW and happy birthday to the CW. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rohit. Working with CW has been a great experience so far. One thing which I really like about the company is like every idea, every opinion and every effort is being appreciated. I feel really thankful to work with the company and I would like to be their part for many more years to come.
Hey everyone, hi. First of all, happy anniversary to CW, Contract Wrangler, for having its 1 year of operations in India. I'm so happy about it. In general business director, people say that customers are the king. Customers are so important. But as a HR professional, I strongly believe our employees are the strength. We need the right people. So I think they are the most vital part of our organization. In fact, employees are the key vital part of any organization for that matter. So because for instance, you might have great thoughts, you might have a groundbreaking strategies, you might have a great vision. So everything comes from the leadership team. But when we have the right people, we materialize the vision. We make sure the vision and the objectives are in place. So employees are the key. That's my thought. 5 things of Contract Wrangler, the best things of Contract Wrangler, I would say, and why it is so successful. The first and foremost thing which I always brag about is the core teams, the leadership team which we are working under. They are phenomenal. Their expertise in the domain and their experience, the knowledge which they possess. I think we have few of the best masterminds of the management who we are working with. The second would be the open and flexible working culture. Openness towards employees' thoughts. So the flexibility in working, all those things is a key factor for anybody to love for CW for. And the last and final would be, I should definitely mention about this, is growth opportunities and your scope of learning. The recognition you get in CW is phenomenal because in CW we tend to create the bond between the employees and we make them happy. We empower them every day and we make them how special they are to our organizations. We make them feel how happy we are to have them in our office.
looking for many more years ahead with CW. Thank you.
And I say Contract Wrangler is the best place to work with.
And I'm looking forward to learn and grow along with CW.
I always believe that Contract Wrangler has been the best place to work with. I wish each and everyone at Contract Wrangler great success in the days to come.
And entirely, I am very grateful to work in Contract Wrangler and I love the place.
I love being a part of Contract Wrangler.
Wishing you all a fantabulous year ahead.
Contract Wrangler is the best, great, and the fun place to work.
I'm really happy to work with CW in long term because employees are the first for the company.
Thank you so much for making me a part of this wonderful journey, and I wish to continue with you.